Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914, back to bring you another sneaker review. And today we got a pair of Manieres. If you saw the title to the video and the thumbnail, you know this is the Maniere 5s that came out. So, you know, this is my brother's pair, so we're not going to put them on feet, but I will go ahead and give you a close-up review of these shoes. If you're new to the channel, welcome. OGs, welcome back. You know, over here we review kicks and sometimes fits. And if you into that kind of stuff, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and open this box here. Jump right into the review. So if you see, this is one of those boxes where this is the second time he got a custom Maniere box from Maniere. Me, I just get the normal boxes when I get pairs of Maniere. Let's go ahead and turn that over. Cool. Yeah, it's got all Maniere logos all inside the box. So this is how the actual box comes. Basically got this all over white box. Got your Nike and Maniere branding on the back. If you can see, it's real faint, but there's a Jumpman right there. You can see, whited out. Same as on the other side, and also on this side, you do get the sizing label. Let me see if I can go ahead and get that to focus. Let's see here. Damn, must be too much white. All right, so hopefully you can see that. There's a sizing label. And the sizing label does read Air Jordan 5 Retro OG SP. And the colors are white, or, and blanc. So whatever that is. Let's go ahead and flip the lid. That's fire. That was his receipt. That's fire. So you got a guy in a model, I guess, in a Maniere hoodie right there on the inside. The very top of the paper, and it's a thicker sheet of paper. You got the Jumpman, Maniere. What's the dates on here? Date June 19, 2025. Place Atlanta, Harlem, Houston, Chicago, London, DC. And then as you flip the paper over on the other side, it has some writing here. So let me read that to you. This right here says, "One, do good, human rights all over. You see us and we see you. We need access to a higher standard. We have the right to express ourselves freely." As you flip it out, you get your shoes individually wrapped with this divider that normally has been coming with all the 5s. Let's get both shoes out. Nothing else inside of the box. You will get a green stamp right there inside of your box. So that's enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. Let's get into the shoes. So we got, let's unwrap them. All right, cool. There's the first shoe. These are pretty clean, man. These was an Maniere exclusive as well. And these shoes symbolize, you know, something as far as, you know, the black culture. And I'll go ahead and break that down for you in a second. But yeah, here are the shoes. They're pretty clean, definitely pretty clean. Let me go ahead and get this paper out the way and let's get into the review. All right, so let's take a quick look at the shoe. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. What do you think about this pair? It's pretty clean in my opinion, man. I slept on this pair. My brother didn't. He went after this pair and he hit on the Maniere raffle. And let me go ahead and just break down to you real quick, you know, what the shoe symbolize and what does it mean. Basically, there's a reason why those different cities and things were on the paper inside the box. So let me go ahead and break it down to you while I show you some B-roll. So it goes on to say, beyond style, this release carries a deeper meaning. The packaging references Juneteenth, the holiday marking the end of slavery in the United States. It highlights 6 influential cities: Atlanta, Harlem, Houston, Chicago, London, and DC. This aligns with the Maniere's dedication to social justice and black culture. Cool, so that's the meaning behind the shoe. And let's go ahead and just jump right into the review. You know, it's a pretty simple shoe, so it shouldn't, you know, be that complicated. But here's the outsole. You got that kind of translucent aged outsole, Jumpman right there at the forefoot. Got that ore colorway right there at the toe cap. Nike in the middle, and that white. Let's move to the upper of the shoe, the midsole, that same brown colorway, which is like it's that violet ore. You got the backwards flames here on the side, are in like a lighter shade of that colorway. It's kind of blending in. I wish they would have made that like black or or some other color to kind of make that pop. Maybe changing it to this color that's on the upper, that would have maybe made the shoe pop a little bit. You got your aged out netting on the side. Got your 23 right there on the back of the heel. You got this all white, I don't know if it's white upper or sail. And actually, let me see, what does it say on it? It says white, so I mean, it does look white, but it doesn't look like a straight white. You know what I mean? It looks like almost like it's off a little bit, like a toned down white. But it says white upper, so all white upper. You got black laces going down the front of the shoe. Got that violet ore tongue. And then let me go ahead and loosen up these laces a little bit. It does come with extra spare laces. Let me take this out so I can unchoke these laces a little bit. All right, this does come with shoe paper, and my brother's sizing sticker got caught up on the shoe paper. Happens from time to time. And there you have the Maniere A right there on the tongue of the shoe, surrounded by that violet ore, stitched in. And the tongue, as you can see, normally on tongues on 5s are way higher than this. You can see it's a shortened tongue, as it doesn't even come really above the top of the shoe. So it's a shortened tongue. Nice material on the back, nice smooth 5 material. On the back of here, it has Maniere, and it has it in an upright position. It's not upside down. Maniere. And then my favorite part of the Maniere, I love when they do this, when they give you that quilted sock liner. And as you can see, the sock liner inside is quilted. Fire. I love when they do that. So dope, man. And then in the inside, it's that same colorway of the violet ore, and you got a stitched in Nike Air in the inside. You can see that there. So that's fire, man. And the lacing clip right there that you get with these are kind of like faded out as well. It's kind of like aged, it looks like. You got that violet ore clip right there in the inside that you pull your laces through. You got Nike on one side. Doesn't have the Jumpman on the other side. And of course, we all love to see this. That Nike Air on the back, stitched in. So, like I said, all 5 should have these 2 things on, Nike Air and that 23 stitch right there on the side. Air unit, looks like, let me see here. Yeah, it's a clear air bubble, but the air unit inside looks like it's that aged out air unit. And then you have black going around the violet ore as well on top, sits on top of it as well. So that's pretty much it, man. The only difference between the left shoe and the right shoe, like I said, you get an extra pair of laces with this pair. And that's it, really. Let me see the inside. There's definitely gonna be some different writing on the inside. And you know, one small detail you always know that we get with the Maniere is when you look at the side panel and look at that netting, you get the little A's that's in there. And let me go ahead and unchoke this pair so we can see, you know, what's on the back of the tongue. And on this pair, major differences on the tongue, you have the Jumpman, and on the back of the tongue, this one has Michael Jordan's signature on the back of the tongue. Everything else is the same insole, same sock liner, quilted sock liner, same insole and everything. So, yeah, with that being said, man, let me just take a look at them real quick. And you know what? My brother was right this time around. I slept, man. These are fire. Yeah, these are dope, man. I like them a lot. You know, after seeing them in hand, I slept. I don't know why I didn't go for this pair. And these were Maniere exclusive. They only dropped on their website. They didn't drop on sneakers or anywhere else. So, yeah, this was an L I took on this, man. I didn't even get to go for this pair. Nah, yeah, I'm definitely regretting it now. But these are fire. You know, great material as always on all Maniere releases. You're gonna have that great leather. It's a thick leather, but also soft at the same time. So it's a great grain of leather. And you know, you get that standard with all Manieres. They really take pride in the craftsmanship and the quality of their pairs, their shoes, and their collabs that they do with Jordan brand. So yeah, these are fire. Only gripe I would have, the only thing I would change, the backward flames on the side right here. Only thing I would say, if they put those in a different color to make them pop, maybe in white, that would have probably set them off. But you know, they kind of blended in, but you know, we'll take it. So with that being said, man, comment down below, man. How do you feel about the Manieres that came out in June to represent Juneteenth, to represent the black culture? How do you feel about this pair? Violet ore, I believe that's what they're calling them. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Did you go for a pair or did you sleep like I did? So Today is gonna be a double unboxing. So I do have another pair of shoes that I'm gonna do right after this video, and it's a pair of Dunks, Arcs, and Recs. So we're gonna get into that. There will be no on feet, because this is my brother's pair. I wanna keep these pristine for him. And we're gonna go ahead and I will hit you with some B-roll as we hit the outro. And with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock Maniere.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah.